Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. Having learned the multiplication operation, in this session we shall learn faster way to do multiplication. In the last session, we learned to answer the question how many times. To calculate the total legs of 5 goats, we did 5 times 4 by adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and arrived at the answer 20. We also learnt while solving the flower bed problem, 4 times 6 is equal to 6 times 4, and number of flowers don't change when we count them column-wise instead of rows. As we started solving more multiplication problems, it became very obvious, it is tedious to add the same number again and again, to get to the result. So we have multiplication tables. By understanding and memorizing them, you will be able to do faster multiplication of any two numbers. When we ask the question how many times 2, multiplication table of 2 will give the answer. Let's say you have pair of birds, 2 in number. One such pair of birds is 2 ones are 2. 2 such pairs of birds is 2 twos are 4. 3 such pairs of birds is 2 threes are 6. 4 such pairs of birds is 2 fours are 8. 5 such pairs of birds is 2 fives are 10. 6 such pairs of birds is 2 sixes are 12. 7 such pairs of birds is 2 sevens are 14. 8 such pairs of birds is 2 eights are 16. 9 such pairs of birds is 2 nines are 18, and 10 such pairs of birds is 2 tens are 20. By memorizing the highlighted portion of the table, you will be able to answer how many times 2. If you want to recall 2 times 3, you look at the entry for 2 threes are and tell the result as 6. Just like multiplication table of 2, we have multiplication table for 3. You can imagine this to be jumps you are making on the number line. Or you can view this as a drive on the long road, where you get the distance boards as you travel. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Once you memorize this table, you will be able to answer how many times 3.
Similarly, here is the table for 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. Once you memorize this table, you will be able to answer how many times 4.
Here is the table for 5. It is same as counting in fives. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50.
Adjacent grid is given as a reference, where number of knots in one row is equal to 5. The result from multiplication is equal to the total number of knots in all rows put together. It increases incrementally, as we move from 1 to 10. Once you memorize this table, you will be able to answer how many times 5. By now you must have realized, any group of objects, when you count once, you get back the number. So here is the multiplication table for 1, that gives back the number it is multiplied with. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. And 1 10s are 10. Similarly, 20 times 1 gives 20, 50 times 1 gives 50, and 100 times 1 gives 100. Here are the multiplication table 1 to 5. Same is available as summary cards as well. Use the same to memorize. Suggest reading the table aloud daily for 15 days. Request your parents or friends to ask you the numbers at random to check if you remember well. It will be required to solve problems in subsequent sessions. With this we have come to the end of session 2.